Hi, today I'm going to convert this Audi A3, the logo, the shiny one, with this matte finish surface. Just like this. And the one at the back, the shiny logo, the original, and with this smarter. See how it goes. Hi everyone, my name is Houseman. Thanks for attending my channel. If you're first time here, Houseman is a person really like to do some little project, DIY or bigger project. In other video you can see. Today I'm doing this one. Hope you like it. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and give some comment below if you think it's useful to support this channel. Everything I want to make is to be more beautiful, wonderful and useful. So these are two logo covers. One is the bigger one, the small one. Bigger one is for the front, and the smaller one is from the rear logo. Turn it over, you see some adhesive tape already applied by the vendor, and if you want you can put more on this area. Let's see the other one. It's the same. Also come with two, I think it's wipes, so you can wipe the original one on your car before you apply this cover. And if you want more adhesive tape, also come with some spare one. You can cut it and then put it here. Let's do it. So after you have put a adhesive tape on it, you come out to the car and you test it, because this one sometimes is more easy to fit on a particular orientation, so you just turn it and feel it. So this one to me is a little bit stand out, and turn it this way is more suitable. So this one is the right direction, orientation. In order not to forget it, I put a mark here. This one comes here, I've put it like this. It's a little bit thick and sticky, and if I turn it on the other way, this one is let me try again. So this one is more suitable. So I use this direction as well, and then I put a adhesive tape on top to mark it, like this. So now we use this cleansing agent to wipe it. There's a little bit alcohol smell, so make sure inside and outside are clean. And then we can stick this on it. You can feel that the right position is really perfect, and get this mark away. It is a matte surface like this. Let's do the front. Let's do it to the front. It's quite shiny after cleansing like this. Now I like this shiny finishing more now. Still can change my mind. One black at the back, one shiny in the front. Yeah. You like it? Huh? My neighbor saw that. Now put this there. You see? Oh, the place is perfect. I can feel it. So peel this off. Here we go. So the finishing is like this. Here we go.